Hello and welcome to MicroChef. Today we are going to make sweet potato soup. Add 50 grams of butter to a 3-liter microwave dish. Add 1 large chopped red onion. Microwave the butter and red onions for 3 minutes on high. Add 500 grams peeled and chopped sweet potatoes. Now add 2 peeled and grated carrots and mix until well combined. Microwave for 10 minutes on high until the sweet potato and carrots are tender. Remove from the microwave oven and mix well. Remember to like, subscribe and comment what you would like to see next. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Optionally add 2 teaspoons of lemon zest for a tangy citrus flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves and mix until well combined. Add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, followed by 1 liter of chicken stock. Mix until well combined and then microwave for 20 minutes on high. Remove from the microwave, mix and then let it cool down for 5 minutes. Finally, blend the mixture to get a smooth and creamy soup. Serve with buttered bread and meatballs. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.